In this video, I'll guide you through how to play multiplayer in Block Crazy Robo World. If you want to play with your friends online, this video is just for you. First, open Block Crazy Robo World on your device. Now, on this screen, tap on the Play button, then select Create New and tap on Create New World to begin setting up your game. Now scroll down on the left side of the screen and find the Multiplayer option. Tap on it. From here, turn on the multiplayer game toggle. Then, also enable the Visible to LAN Players option so others can find and join your world. Now, tap on the Create button, then tap on Proceed to start the game and enter your world. Keep the game open on your device. Now, ask your friend to open the game on their device. Then, go to the Play option. After that, tap on the Friends section. Here, your friend will see your name on the list. Simply tap on your name to join your world and start playing together. Make sure both you and your friend are connected to the same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot to play multiplayer. As you can see, my friend and I are now in the same world, so that's how you can easily play multiplayer in Block Crazy Robo World. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. If you face any problem, let me know in the comments section below. Thank you.